So hi everyone. Today we're going to deploy simple Node.js application to Azure using GitHub Actions CICD pipeline from Docker file. So last video, if you remember, we deployed simple Node.js application without Docker file. But in this video, we are going to deploy from Docker file. So I'll suggest just go to that video and watch it. So then you will going to feel connected with this video. Yeah, else if you do not want to go that video, that is also fine. Simply you can just follow here. I'll show you how you can deploy simple Node.js application to Azure using GitHub's Actions CI/CD pipeline. And yeah, main purpose is Docker file. As you know, what is the purpose of Docker? So basically it will, to run that application, it will remove the dependency. What we can say, package your app with all the dependency, so it will run the same in everywhere. So basically to run this application, this Node.js application, what we need in local, if you think we are using node module, right, like npm, and not npm, node is the main. Okay, so that is there, and after that we are using Ubuntu OS, right? So I need Docker will do, it will package all your dependency, whatever needed to run this application, right? So Docker will help to remove this package your application in with all the dependency, so it will run in anywhere, right? That's what. So to start that, I'll explain. So this is the Docker file I created. So in here I'm just mentioning use node 20 major package version. Okay, whatever package like node version we are using, that only you can mention from. And working directory, it will be like app directory I'm mentioning, and this is the simple stuff, you can just read it, you'll get. And at which port it will going to run, 3000 port I am defining. That's all. This is all about Docker file. Once you create the Docker file, just go to CICD pipeline, GitHub action pipeline here, right? So as I mentioned earlier also, this is our GitHub branch name, like a repository branch name. This is the main. And what all jobs we are going to do on build and push deployment, what it will do, it will just runs on Ubuntu machine. After that, what all step we are doing here, simply yeah, as I mentioned, whenever you are preparing a Docker file, we need to publish that Docker file into your respective Docker Hub account, right? So for that you need Docker Hub username and Docker Hub password. So yeah, so that you will get from whenever you create a Docker Hub account, right? You will get a Docker Hub username and Docker Hub password. So this is the only, as I mentioned, you can just follow this comment what I am doing for every step. So that's what. So once you log into Docker Hub, you will go here, like build that. Now what we are doing, we already created the Docker file, right? So we need to create an image with all the dependency. So same thing we are doing, we are using docker build command. Okay, this is docker build -t, this is the command, and this is the name, you can give anything whatever you want. So yeah, this is the command to build your image with all the dependency, right, from the Docker file. Whatever we mention, it will going to read here and it will build the image, this one, right? So once Docker image is built, what we are doing, we are publishing that Docker Hub image to our Docker Hub registry. Okay, Docker Hub account. So Docker push, this is the my whatever I created, right? That same thing I'm just mentioning here, and as in comment mention, build and push the Docker image. That's all. So once that is done, what we need to do, as we are going to deploy this into Azure, right? So for that also we need to log into Azure. So this is the step, like we need to create a Azure credential. This all thing I will going to show you where you need to add or whatever, where you will get this all stuff. Okay, so this is the Azure login credential. Once that is done, what we are doing, we're just using that web app name and our image name. Okay, to deploy to Azure. That's all. This is all about your YML file. So yeah, I'll going to show you one by one what you will do and where you will get all these details. Let's say Docker Hub username and password, these all two you will get from your Docker Hub account, and this one I'll show how you will get the Azure credential. So let's go. So as I mentioned, this is my GitHub repository. So yeah, and here is the all code I publish, like I post here. So once that is done, what I told you, you need to get your Docker Hub username and password as for this CICD pipeline, right? So this one you will simply this is I already created, so you will get from here. Maybe you can click somewhere here, maybe account setting, just go here. Okay, it is taking time. Yeah, that's fine. You will get the username and password from whenever you create the Docker Hub account. That's fine. So once you got, so just go to your application, this one here. I think, yeah, you need to follow some step. What you need to do, first create a this one, just go to deployment. This is our web app, right? As I mentioned in earlier video, you can just go there for reference. So once you go here, deployment center, come here and just select container new, right? So here you just simply click add and custom container. Here you will see, you will need to give that all the details. So basically I already created, so I'll just edit this one and I'll show you what I am giving. Just select the public and the other container registry, because we are going to use from Docker Hub, right? So simply I just mentioned the dockerhub.io, docker.io, that the URL, and after that my Docker Hub image name here, and that the pod where it will going to run. That's done. And for the environment variable, I can show it is not needed, but yeah, for safer purpose, if it is not working in your case, just create two environment variable. Just a minute. Yeah, one is pod and website pod, so this is not needed, but yeah, for safer, if not work, let's try with this. Okay, these all I added. Once that is done, what I mentioned you, okay, how you can create this one, right? Azure credential to log into Azure from your pipeline. So what you will do, go to your application, just simply connect on this one, this PowerShell, right? See, Cloud Shell, this one. Just once you click this one, you will get similar something like that. Okay, this PowerShell, and for that you need to run this one. Copy, paste. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this one, this command you need to run. So this is my subscription ID, that's all. That subscription ID you will going to get from here only. Once you open this web app and just overview, here if you see, right, this one, this is the subscription ID. Yeah, sorry, yeah, just, yeah, this one I can say, yeah, this is the subscription ID. Just copy and just keep here and just run this command in here, in this it is, yeah, in this PowerShell. So once you run, you will get something like this JSON format. Just copy that one and go to your GitHub repository, this one, okay, and just click on setting. As I mentioned earlier video also, same thing. Just secret and the variables, click on actions. Yeah, if you see, I already added this Azure credential and your Docker Hub password and Docker Hub username. These all two you will get from your Docker Hub whenever you create a Docker Hub account. That I'm not showing you. Maybe in coming videos I'll give end to end what all step. Okay, for the quick one I'm just showing you. So yeah, you just click here only and add all these details. So yeah, as per our pipeline, we need Docker username and Docker password we already added, and the Docker Azure Web App name. I already shown these two things how you will add in last video. You can go there and watch. And Azure credential now we created and we added here. That's all. So once that is done, what we can do, whenever you do git push and all, right, to your let's say git add and everything, and git commit, and after that git push origin, I did all the thing. So once you did, you will see something like that. So see, Azure login fix, currently I publish, right? So once you do, just click on this one, you will get to know what all step it will going to build and push deploy. This is the trigger. So once you click, you will get all the step what is going on. So that's done. Just go to your application, as I mentioned earlier, just copy this default domain to check if it is working or not. So yeah, just go here. Yeah, see, running from Docker. Basically in the server.js I already changed the message like running from Docker, because this time we are doing this simple node application deployment using Docker from Docker file. That's what. And I'll suggest please go and watch that video, earlier video, then it will help you to understand properly, or you will feel connected what I explain in this video. So yeah, thank you. So going forward, I'll create a end-to-end video, like maybe you are having doubt, right, how you need to create Docker account and all, right, that all I'll going to show you. Yeah, so as of now, thank you.